Okay everyone, you can see that I've created a world here with a little bit of water on it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a couple of objects. Okay, so I'm going to add my first one. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a rock. Okay, so I'm just going to put my rock in the world. Okay, so that's my first thing. The next thing I want to do is I just want to add a character. Okay, so I think I am going to add. Okay, now there's my turtle. It looks a bit big, so I'm going to change the size, just make it a little bit smaller. Okay, there we go. There you go. So, got a couple of things there. Now the first thing I'm going to do with my turtle is I'm going to right click on him and I'm going to change settings and I'm going to go down and I'm going to make him a creatable. So I'm just going to make that go green. Okay, so my turtle is now a creatable. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is I need to click on my rock. And I'm going to go to the program. Okay, and I'm going to, when, okay, I have a timer, every, I don't know, 5 seconds, okay, I am going to actions, create, okay, creatables, turtle. And what should happen is the rock is going to be used as something, as a guide or as something to put the creating of the turtle on. If we just now press play, hopefully I should get it every, the rock's fallen in the water, turtle's gone. Look, there's another turtle. Okay, there's another turtle. Okay, and so on. Now I'm just going to stop my program because what I realised I forgot to do was actually give my turtle something to do. So I'm just going to move and to just wander around. Okay, so if we press play, and hopefully in 5 seconds that rock should create a turtle. And then go. The next one. Okay, now hopefully you can see that the purpose of a creatable is, so the rock is actually being used. The first turtle I set up was the creatable. It means I can then have multiple objects and they'll all behave in the same way.